Well, I got the bench all painted up. Well, most of it. I got the wiring in. Well, roughed in. But that's on hold now. I gotta get my snowblower ready for winter. Last winter it was making, I don't know, the chain was bad. Luckily I only needed to use it one time. But the chain was really bad. I think it's from 1998. This is a Toro wheel horse model 79366. It's off the 5XI series. I haven't been able to find much online about these, so I figured I'd make a little video. It was leaking oil last winter. So I'm going to be taking this all apart. I figured I'd make a little video, being as I can't find much about it. Not sure if it's leaking from the seals there or under here. It's wet under here, but I'm not sure if it's from dripping down or I don't know. Find out, I guess. So to start out, I got these labeled right side, left and left. I'll take that apart. It looks like it's one big shaft that goes all the way through. I don't know, I was looking at the exploded view online. I'm hoping, it looks like this shaft was just keyed in, so I'm hoping that'll just slide out. Because I don't really want to take that whole impeller crap apart. I don't know. But we'll find out, I guess. Probably could just keep filling it for another year or two, but I don't know. Might as well. Here's the chain I pulled off it. It was pretty bad. I don't want to even touch it here. Let's get a screwdriver. I touched it yesterday. I was still greasy from it. Got a lot of stiff links. Looked like Toro wanted, I think it was close to $80 for that chain, replacement chain. I measured it up with my caliper. Seems to be just regular number 40 chain. That's what, 304. This was 306. The width was a little, pretty much the same, but 200. Yeah, like 190. I moved when I pulled out. So I'm going to just use number 40 chain. I can get like 10 feet of it for, what, like $12 at Fleet Farm. Otherwise, they want, what, close to $80 for just a pre-cut length. For like $3 worth of chain. So, see, I'll take her apart here. And, I don't know. Looks like I can just pause this. Maybe I'll just stop it and start it again. Yeah. That's my project. It's pretty nice out today. Out here in a t-shirt. But I guess I'd sooner work on snowblowers when it's nice out. Hey, Lil. What are you sniffing? Anyways. Here's the mower it goes on. I think I put it in another, well, sort of in another video, but been pretty busy again lately. Anyways, I'll pause this, take it apart a little bit, then maybe make another, resume a little bit. But well, I got these side dealies off, one on each side. I got this blocked up, and it looks like what holds it on. I was kind of wondering if that just was where all that weight was going from that, because there's not really much supporting it. I guess it's these washers pretty much hold it on. I mean, you can see they're pretty much supporting it up. So I guess I'll crack those loose. So you got to put those shear pin back in, I would imagine. Probably, yeah. Well, actually, no, I won't have to. I thought I was gonna have to hold on to this to break it loose, but it, actually, I might have to the one way. Well, I'll figure it out. What are you doing, Lil? Do you want that stick, Lil? You sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay, Lil. Oh, jeez. Sit, Lil, remember? Take it nice. Lily is obsessed with sticks. We finally got a decent radio station around here up in northern Wisconsin. Plays the 80s and 90s country instead of whatever they call it nowadays. Anyways, I got these bolts out. Now I believe it's hanging there. So I'm pretty sure this slides out. I think. I don't know. How the hell am I gonna do that? That's gonna be interesting putting back together. Let's see here. I don't know what the hell. Oh yeah, that just slides out. I wonder if these push in. Oh, jeez. It looked like that was just on a key. Actually, 2 keys inside here. But I think they're those half moon ones, so it probably doesn't slide. Wait. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm gonna put this down again and hopefully slide that out. So, Lily. Well, you can see this disengaged, but it doesn't come out. Oh, maybe it's... Oh. What are you doing, Lil? Jesus. God, Lil. I don't know how she knows there's sticks in here. So I think I'm gonna have to pull this gear off. God damn it. I didn't really want to do that. Oh, but it doesn't look that bad, I guess. It's just, what, a couple of those thingies. And there's a collar down there. Oh, well, I'm gonna probably stop this video and maybe start up again when it's apart. Hopefully, I won't have to take that impeller off. But one thing that I thought was kind of crazy is how much they want for parts for these. These augers here were like $450 or something each side. That axle that goes all the way through there was like $300. Like, jeez. I mean, that's like, what, maybe $10 of material, and just drilled and tapped on both ends. There's one hole there and there for the shear pin, and then a couple of keyways cut in there for $300. It's like, wow. Anyways, that's my plan.